I think one of the advantages of being an integrated company is that we're not a pure upstream, pure play upstream. So we can't have a natural hedging to all this. Indeed, many things happened last year. We still expect volatility this year, and but I think it's important for us to focus on things that we are in control, our operations, our marketing, our supply chain. I think that's important.
And the importance of gas is not lost on you as well, the importance of LNG as well. We heard it from Monsieur Pouyanné as well, how they're a gas and oil company now. We hear a lot of that from the big majors now as well. You're in a similar vein, aren't you?
Our portfolio, 70% is gas, and currently we are number 3 in terms of the biggest LNG exporter. Our first cargo was in 1982, and we have actually delivered more than 10,000 cargoes. Far East is of course our strong market. Indeed, I think with regards to the energy transition, I'm confident that gas is the way to go. It's renewables are coming up, but it's a peer to.
Given that you've just said that, can you just explain for us the investment then in this Indian solar tech business? Because that sounds like you're also hedging your bets here with renewable.
We've got a 3-pronged growth strategy. Maybe if I can take through very briefly. I think the first one is to maximize cash generation. What that means is that, our whole value chain should be a seamless one. So, we should be good in exploration, production, our refineries should be working optimum, gas plants, and right up to marketing. So that's the first. The second prong in our growth strategy is to expand our core business. I think if you have followed, in last year, many things happened. We were successful in Mexico.
We might have to hurry you up a little bit here. There's only a couple of minutes left on the program.
And the third one is stepping out, what we call stepping out, and this is looking at renewables. Of course, we are building our portfolio in renewables.
Can I talk about the very profitable but sometimes thorny relationship with China as well, and projects with China as well? There's been a lot of criticisms about the One Belt and Road, and there's been a lot of praise for it as well. Malaysia's experience is checkered, to say the least, as well. Do you think that One Belt and Road is necessarily something that's benefiting countries such as yours, or do you think actually there needs to be better terms of trade?
In China is a very important market for Petronas. We sell a lot of LNG, petchem, and lubricants. We've got a big lubricants business in China. I think so far, none of these political issues have affected. It remains to be a very important market, and we are expanding our business in China.
Although the Prime Minister, Mr. Mahathir, has taken a very tough line on the Chinese, is that going to hold back your opportunity?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
But he has cancelled pipeline projects.
It's so happened that, after 61 years, the country has got a new government. There are a lot of reforms.
Looks a lot like an old government to me.
No.
Let's come back.
It's a new government, and a lot of reforms in place, and some of the unprofitable projects are being reviewed.